Hi, as you may have seen in a recent video, I received Happy Mail from Karen again. So it's time to send her some back. I had a little bit of help from my cat, as you can see. And I'm just going to open this box and get the stuff in there that I chose to send her. I made this pocket, which I've seen around. Many people made this. And I decided to put some vintage book papers in their pages. I actually took it through the sewing machine, and I'm very proud of myself for doing that because, threading it all up, getting it ready, making sure everything is in the right place with the sewing machine that's complicated for me, so I'm happy I managed to do it. These are pages from vintage books, of course, kind of old ones, the end of the 19th century. It's a small vintage book. This is a pocket that I made out of wallpaper, and these are advertisements from newspapers that were actually real. I downloaded them from a regional archive in the area where Karen lives. These are tags that I made from the front page of a paper pad, and I sewed that too, so I'm very pleased with myself. These are fabrics that I found at the thrift shop, which I really love, and I decided to share. We recently went to the pet store and I found some goodies for her cats. This is an ice cream box, and I really like the images, so being thrifty and all, I cut those out. And it's really nice to use them as ephemera, especially for like summer journals or if you journal about your holiday. So yeah, put that in there. This is from a game. It's close to Go Fish. You have to make a quartet, a pair of four. These are earrings that I used to make a couple of years ago. Earrings made out of buttons. And I don't sell them anymore, but I had some left over, so I thought I would send them to her and package them in this very hard to open package. And she recently sent me some tea as well, so I dove into my collection and took out a few that I hope she'll like. I folded this like matchbox and put a quote on the sides and filled them with stamps and labels. I didn't make those labels myself in the way that I didn't design them. I just downloaded them from the internet, but I printed them on coffee stain paper and just put them together in that box, which I really like the look of. And that's it. I'm going to add this little card that I made. And I put some scraps of paper in there just to, fill it up a little bit. I punched out some dragonflies and leaves, and just gonna throw that in there. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this. She's already received it, so I actually know that she did an unboxing, and it would be really nice if you would check that out, and I'll leave a link to her channel down below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!